10 legends born of power's art, in violet flames they play their part. From heart to road their spirits swirl, all racing under, purely purple. 10. Honda CBR 600RR. Refined control, the racer's friend, a trusted steed from start to end. In royal purple, proud and true, it rides the dawn with heart anew. 9. Yamaha YZF-R6. Light as thought, yet fierce and keen, a shadow glides in violet sheen. Its rhythm hums, its motion sings, freedom beats beneath its wings. 8. Kawasaki Ninja Z X 6R. A leaner beast, yet bold and grand, it dances light at your command, wrapped in purple, fierce and neat, a whisper swift, a pulse of heat. 7. Aprilia RSV4. Factory. Crafted wings of thunder's tone, a violet storm that rides alone. Precision, soul, and fearless grace, the RSV4 sets the pace. 6. Ducati Panigale. 4. An Italian heart in purple hue, elegance and rage imbue, like art in motion, fierce yet fine, passion painted on every line. 5. Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade. Purple flame with a warrior's gaze, born to blaze the racing maze. Each rev a promise, sharp and pure. Fireblade's glory will endure. 4. BMW M1000RR. A symphony of German might, a violet streak through endless night, perfection forged in every line, power polished to divine. 3. Suzuki GSXR 1000R. The samurai of asphalt dreams, where speed ignites and metal gleams, dressed in purple, calm yet wild, grace and fury reconciled. 2. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Emerald soul, now cloaked in flame, a purple phantom rides its fame. Precision's edge, the track's true art, it carves the air, a beating heart. 1. Yamaha YZF-R1. Born from MotoGP's fierce delight, purple lightning splits the night. A roar that dances, sleek and free. The R1 rules eternity.